Hey guys, this is Clinton Garda from the Backbone Wellness Institute. So let me ask you a few questions. Does your low back go out more often than you do lately? Or does it take a whole team of people just to help you get your socks on in the morning? Have you gone from being a pain in the butt to now having one? Now, if you said yes to any or all these questions, then you, my friend, have a low back issue. Now, if you or a loved one has been struggling with lower back issues like stiffness, pain, a loss of mobility, or even sciatica, then you must absolutely attend our upcoming workshop, Bulletproof Your Low Back. Now, this workshop is for you if you want to discover how to stop the downward spiral of low back pain, or what the research is telling us about the most common cause of lower back issues, or how you should alter your workstation to stop triggering back pain, or what impact your daily habits have on your condition, or how to correct the most common causes of lower back pain without drugs or surgery. And the one thing that you should stop doing immediately that's making your problem worse. I mean, let's face it, you've got a lot to do, and you're going to need your health and your energy and your body to be there for you. So come to this awesome event and discover the secrets of ridding yourself of this painful burden forever. There's a link for you to register right here. Don't kid yourself. This problem does not go away on its own. It only gets more debilitating over time, more difficult to correct, and eventually more expensive for you. If you wait until you're in a total crisis, you're going to make this problem just harder to correct. Look, low back problems are correctable. You can do this, and it's definitely worth it. We want to help you, but you've got to take that first step. So join us for our Bulletproof Your Low Back. It's time for you to get your healthy back. And by the way, I know that you know someone who is struggling with this problem too. So who is it? Please share this with them. Forward this video, or better yet, bring them to the workshop and just let us know that they're coming so that we can save a seat for them. So thank you in advance for helping us to help others. And we'll see you at the workshop. All right, thanks guys.